We'll guide you through how to sell items on Roblox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Selling items is a great way of getting Robux because in return for an item, you can go and get Robux. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important that we're covering in this video. So it's important to note in this video, we're mainly covering clothing. You can go and sell other types of items as well. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So it's important to note as well, we are using the Roblox website for this. You can actually get started in the Roblox app, but ultimately you're going to go and get directed to the Roblox website as you can't fully do it within the app. So what you can do is on the site, which you can come to in a web browser like Chrome, Edge, Opera, type in roblox.com and sign in. And at the top, you can go and press create. If it looks different, you can go and type in create.roblox.com and you should then go and be brought here. Now, what you need to do is come to the left and you can go and find the option for creations just like so. Now, what you can do here is you can come to avatar items like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to focus on classics in this video. So we're going to press classics. Now, what you can do is you can come into filters here and you can choose t-shirts, shirts, or pants. So if you just wanted to go and start selling something, t-shirts is going to be the easiest because what you can do here is just go and upload an image to go and put on a t-shirt. If you're using shirts or pants, you'll need to go and create them with a template, which we have got a guide on which you can follow. In this case, I'll do shirts as I've got a template, but if you've just got an image, you can go and select classic t-shirts. Then what you can do is press upload assets and you can go and press upload, make sure it meets one of the requirements here. And what we can then do is go and find it. So mine is called done. So I'll go and type that in and this is it here. So I can select it and press open. So you can go and see here, this is the template I've done. As I said, if you haven't got a template, we have got a full guide on how you can do it. You can go and use t-shirts and upload an image there. Now you can go and type in the names. So I'm going to go and type in ultimate GRT, add in a description, and then you can press upload 10 Robux. So this does cost you 10 Robux. So press upload, and then we're going to go and be uploading it. So now the Roblox item is now going to be available for us to wear. We've uploaded it, but what we can do is go and find it again by coming to clothing and shirts and scroll down. We can press classics and then go to shirts and scroll down, and there it is. So at the moment it's going to be in our inventory and we can go and wear it, but to go and sell it, what you need to do is go and click on it. Go to the top right and make sure on sale is switched on. Scroll down and you can go and see the current price floor. So what this is the minimum. So it's going to be sold for minimum 5 Robux, but we can go and set the amount above. So let's go and say I wanted to sell this for 50. I'd go and type in 45 and you can then see the item price, which adds them together. And you can then enter in the amount you don't want it to sell below. So for me, it's 50, but you could go and set that lower if you're happy for it to go and be a lower amount. So you can then go and see it'll be the lowest price you're willing to sell for. You can then scroll down and choose if you want regional pricing. This will go and set region-specific pricing for your avatar items, making them more attractive to users worldwide in different countries. You can choose where you want it to go and be on sale. So in this case, I've got sell and marketplace switched on and experiences. You get a little bit less of experiences. And you can go and set a higher price to go and increase your revenue share, which is cool. Then you can come down here and choose experiences. I'll have it on all. And we can then publish it. And this is going to cost us 10 Robux. And as well as that, you do need to go and have Roblox Premium and the 1,000 Robux package, which is a monthly subscription you need to pay for. So press that there, and then you can press pay and publish. And now it's going to be on sale.